What's up?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing only. Some profound sentence.
It's like saying ille
Why you're
means
saying it?
ille
No, it
is
is
Kannada.
not.
Ille is no in like every South Indian language.
Macha is Tamil or Kannada?
Tamil pesla macha.
Oh.
Macha.
Oh.
Macha in Tamil literally means.
Oh yo.
यार मेरा जूम आजकल लैग होता है निशांत भाई बहुत कुछ पंगे हैं मेरे जूम पे हाँ
क्या बात कर रहे हो नहीं मेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा मतलब ये आपने वो किया जो फ्लीट ने बोला था
क्या?
Zoom का डिलीट करके इंस्टॉल जूम को हाँ करो ना
वो नहीं किया मैंने जनरल वीडियो
रिकॉर्ड में भी आता है फिर लैग ना
हाँ
रिकॉर्डिंग में भी लैग आता रहेगा 2 मिनट लगेगी कर लो डिलीट करके डाउनलोड
आरज़ू पे काबू है समझ सारे बात बाकी वक्त का क्या
केवी
अभिषेक
थोड़ा
बच्चन नाच रहा है मेरे सामने
मूवमेंट देना एक सेकंड I just want to see how good this thing is.
वक्त पानी बन जाए
नहीं खराब है बहुत
ना हो जुदा
बहुत खराब है अच्छा मैं एक सेकंड में जूम लिंक भेजूं दोबारा
हाँ
जूम ये फिक्स करके भेजता हूं एक सेकंड
कूल
हाय गाइस सॉरी थोड़ा जूम को अनइंस्टॉल
दोस्तों अगर हम बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे बात कर सकते हैं
हाँ दैट्स ट्रू ऐड और रिमूव प्रोग्राम में जूम को अनइंस्टॉल
Oh my god, I was singing and I was feeling so bad that I can't sing anymore.
नहीं पर मैं तो अचानक से डर गया कान में मैं लाइक अरे केवी भाई की आवाज किधर से
ऐड और अनइंस्टॉल कैसे करते हैं
BLU to the double F master. Let's take it slow, girl. I'm a long laster.
Because I'm a bad boy and I'm a good girl.
But I'm a good girl.
Why do I know this? It's so sad I know this.
Everybody knows it.
कि भी ऐसा जैसे नॉर्मल लोग के दिमाग में ऐसा फकॉल गाना का लिरिक्स रहता है वैसे तेरे दिमाग के कचरे में रैंडम ट्रिविया रहेगा ना ऑफ शिट दैट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट लाइक अबाउट स्क्विरल्स एंड शिट नहीं
How dare you call me random log?
I'm not talking about first of all you.
Please.
I'm talking to KV.
You
KV
said
आवाज नहीं आ रही है क्या? I said about squirrels. Are you a squirrel? Is that the joke?
No, you said random लोग के दिमाग में गाने होते तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में random facts होंगे.
I meant no. I said first of all I said normal. Normal लोगों के दिमाग में गाने
Oh,
होते
you said normal. Then it's okay. I'm normal only.
Call you normal. Chat is here. Hi chat. Let me sign in. Hang on.
KV, you're not here, or what? KV? 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 Wow. Cool.
Ooh.
Have you sent the Zoom link? No, right?
No, I haven't.
Cool.
I've now sent it to you guys. Best. I've sent it. I've reinstalled Zoom. Never gonna let you go. Never gonna let you go. No.
ना हो कोई फासले, ना हो दूरियां. Never gonna let you go, girl. Never gonna let you go. No.
Sorry chat एक मिनट मैं जरा ये फिक्स कर रहा हूँ हाँ क्या ही लग रहा है
म्यूट कर दो
वाओ क्या लग रहा है
गूगल म्यूट कर दो वो आ रही है एको आ रही है
यार for some reason हाँ okay
सही मस्त
oh wow what quality wow
ये 4K zoom
right here right now हम
क्या बोल रहे हो मदर कैश चाहिए कि भेजना है अगर भेजना है तो कितना भेजना है बताओ भेज देते
केवी आवाज आ रही है
गूगल
नो प्रॉब्लम ड्राइवर का पिंग आया कि रेनकोट के लिए पैसा कैश चाहिए
रेनकोट के लिए
कैश चाहिए भेजना है
ऐश्वर्या आ जाना ऐश्वर्या कम नो आई हैव सेंट यू आई व्हाट्सएप्ड यू
yeah I'm coming so
now I think Zoom is better
caption thing is too good on Google Meet
caption thing
yeah so what I did was मेरे को मैंने कैप्शन ऑन किया तो मैंने फोटो भी लिया आपको भेजूंगा तो जो आप लोग बात कर रहे थे काफी एक्यूरेट वो आ रहा था
गूगल मीट पे क्या
ट्रांसलेट होके
गूगल मीट पे
हाँ लाइक ऐसे मैं आपको फोटो भेजूंगा Aishwarya, cool. Oh, will tell you. Tanmay, I've said now. You guys test. Tanmay, I've reinstalled Zoom. Aishwarya, we are gonna never gonna let you go.
Oh wow. इतना accurate है क्या? बढ़िया. Oh wow.
Never
This
gonna let you go. No,
chat
no,
quality is
no,
better. No,
no,
Zoom
no.
quality is much better. Wow, it's so much better. Wow, what a solution, Nishan bhai. Who would have thought you would be the one to save the technical issues?
Just call my name.
Huh?
Just call my name.
Nishan Tanwar.
That's it.
That's it. All right, friends. We are finally good to go.
Okay.
Okay, intro कर ले. सबसे पहले intro कर ले. ना हो कोई फासले. Hello and welcome to another episode with Rider OP. Welcome. We have subscriber OP. Welcome.
I like that the OP is stuck now. There's no going back.
And we have amplifier. No, as it's amplifier OP. And we have amplifier OP, who's also an extremely good satisfier at the same time.
Yes, that's true.
What? Why?
Welcome, KP.
Can I satisfy?
Always.
Different types of desire.
Always.
I'm a satiator. I satiate.
And what a clever comeback that was, Mr. Amplifier, because and coincidentally, that's the theme of today's reaction episode. Clever comebacks. क्या कभी आपके साथ हुआ है कि किसी ने कुछ बोला है और आपको एकदम उस मोमेंट पे कुछ आया नहीं, 10 घंटे बाद आपको लगता है कि फक मेरे को वो बोलना चाहिए था. Today we will see beautiful examples of the most clever comebacks.
Let's stand up के करियर के पहले 3 महीने सबके यही होते हैं स्टेज पे. घर पे आके यार हेकलर तू ये बोल देता.
चलो. I used to just simply say, Nishan bhai, mom, please go back home. I'll see you later.
Yeah, this is but one standard, no? First time I heard it, I was like, wow, what a clever boy. And then I was like, oh, everyone does this.
Yes.
Thanks, Dad.
All right. 1 second, and let's bring everyone back on screen. And everyone is not back. Hang on. Now, Aishwarya, you completely missed my joke, by the way.
Which one?
You completely did not understand the joke that Nishan said that initial career में heckler भी आते थे और heckle करते थे और हम बाद में सोचते थे कि यार clever comeback दे सकते थे. I was like कि मैं सिर्फ hecklers को एक ही चीज बोलता था कि मम्मी वापस घर जाओ, मैं आपको घर पे मिलता हूँ. So the joke was that mom was heckler.
Yeah,
I know.
Oh, you got it or what?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. You were playing along. Okay.
What a bitch.
All right.
Are you heckling me, huh?
No, sorry. I was just checking. I didn't understand what you said. I thought you got it wrong. Anyway. All right, let's move on. Homosexuality is an abomination to God Almighty. Never misses a gay event. It's quite a clever comeback. I fucking love that there's a donkey on his head and the donkey is also staring him down. Like, bro, tu to har jagah aa jata hai, kya kar raha hai?
And just to be like, at this event, there is going to be someone with this sign. Let me preempt this thing and make a sign and go for the event. So beautiful.
Yeah, पर यार ये बंदा बहुत फनी जो होमोसेक्सुअलिटी वाला लेके खड़ा है. समझ रहे हो, ये दूसरों से पहले पहुंचता है. ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में, सब में ही है कि कहाँ इवेंट हो रहे हैं. ये पहले पहुंच.
To me, like, this is just too much effort to express any of my opinions.
Correct.
But this is completely worth it, right? I think
100%.
Yeah,
ये पार्ट टाइम में कुछ वाटर प्यूरिफायर वगैरह बेचता है क्योंकि जिसको पता है कि मेरा कुछ टॉप नहीं दिखने वाला तो फॉर्मल शर्ट वर्ट पहन के क्यों आए.
That's fair.
का मतलब ये जैसे ही इवेंट खत्म हो ये हटाएगा और बोलेगा आपके घर में कैंट वाटर प्यूरिफायर है क्या.
Aman Verma. Today I learned that in 2002 a researcher found the average 8-year-old British child could identify 80% of Pokemon but only 50% of common wildlife species. Common wildlife species don't normally yell their names out at you. किसी को समझा ये? निशान भाई, मैं और आप थोड़े इसके लिए we're too boomer for this joke.
आप boomer, please.
What you did?
I got it. Because Pokemon, they yell their names out, no?
Out.
Yeah.
Pika,
कपी.
Hey Nish Solanki, welcome. Harry Sandhu ने बोला ऐश्वर्या is really fire. बढ़िया.
ओ शिट, हम कर रहे हैं members only.
Oh.
Members only करें.
Hey, Harry Sandhu is that singer or what? He's here.
He's not a singer. I don't think Harry Sandhu the singer would be my channel member and be watching my members only live stream.
Hey, you never know.
I highly doubt it.
No, totally possible. Cool हो सकता है.
कुड़ी मैनू कहंदी
Oh,
ना सोनी.
अब के भाई ने गाना याद दिला दिया है, तो हो सकता है वही हो.
फिर तो वही है.
उसका अगला गाना आ
Hey,
गया.
Harry, if you're here, you're also fire.
Okay, relax. What's stopping you from doing this with your partner? Aishwarya, it's direct attack to you.
और ये टेम्पलेट मुझे बहुत पसंद है, व्हाट्स स्टॉपिंग यू वाला. ये बहुत अच्छा रहा.
What's stopping you from doing this with your partner? Common sense.
Perfect.
Aishwarya, can you please upload a picture with Akash with this caption?
No, I won't. It'll be the first time ever that Tanmay comments on my post.
Yeah.
Ever.
Or just Aishwarya with Akash and just like, this could be us, but you playing. I'm like, I don't want to play. I don't ever want to play this game. Why do women train for ripped abs? It's because they want to look like men. Truthfully, it's gross. Lips, tits, hips. Men are simple. We want the classic beauty of feminine hourglass shape. At no time in history did men ever want women with ripped abs. Hi, historian here. I'm comfortable in saying that at no time in history have women ever wanted you.
यार ये बहुत सही था. Because first line when he says hi historian here, I thought he'll give some historical example.
हाँ यही. कि उतने BC में एक औरत थी जिसके एब्स थे और उसको सब पसंद, ऐसा कुछ.
करेक्ट. बट भाई ने सीधा पर्सनल अटैक. भाई का यूजर नेम भी है @body4wife. ये हिस्टोरियन है कि नहीं पता नहीं, बट इसके बहुत क्लियर गोल है.
एक सेकंड यार, ये जूम लैग बहुत हो रहा है. पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम मेरे कंप्यूटर पे क्यों होता है ये.
नेट सही चल रहा है आपका?
नेट सही चल रहा है. नेट तो सही चल रहा है ना. नेट तो सही चल रहा है. मतलब वो जूम के वीडियो के क्वालिटी में कुछ, सॉरी गाइस, थोड़ा स्लाइड पंगा. गिव मी 1 सेकंड टू फिगर दिस आउट. जूम लैग हो रहा है. नो गाइस, आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. हैंग ऑन. एक काम कर सकते हैं, ये ट्राई करते हैं. लेट मी स्टॉप प्रेजेंटिंग. डज इट गेट बेटर? Now, can you guys move a little for 1 second?
अरे वो याद आ गया, आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे चल रहा है ना. Make everyone think it's a picture.
Photo, yeah.
नहीं. ओके. कैप्चर सेंसर हटाऊं. सेंसर कैप्चर करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. ओके. Chat, is it better now? Hey, guys, move around. I think it's better now. Okay, cool. Let's see if this works.
Very bada. But she said the bada is better. If I put it in my bada, it'll make my bada better. So she put a pada, then a bada. And she put it in a bada, and the bada was not that better.
मुझे सच में लगा कि ऐश्वर्या आप कन्नड़ी का बोल के दिखा रही है मेरे को आज.
बेड़ा बेकू
बेड़ा गर्क.
ओह,
यही करे क्या? ये बेटर है क्या?
ये जूम पे वे बैक. Hey, this is nicer.
Is it better?
I mean, it's better for me.
Okay.
जिंदगी
कैसी पहेली
कभी तो हंसाए, कभी तो रुलाए. ओके.
आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले
भी आ जाएगी
गा तो नहीं सकता मैं, वो पीछे खड़े होके जो छन छन ऐसे वाला एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट.
मैं ये कैसे करूँ यार?
कहता है दिल और मचन. क्या करे तब तक यार? कुछ आपको कविताएं सुनाता हूँ।
अरे नहीं केवी भाई क्या मस्त गा रहे थे, बहुत बढ़िया था, मेरे को ये
ओह!
पता ही नहीं था आपका गाने वाला तो।
सच में गाऊं क्या अच्छे से? और
अरे सच में प्लीज।
ओके मैन। ओके
ये क्या है? Is it better
Hero
now?
Honda, Sarigama.
कविता सुनाता हूँ आपको। निशान भाई will enjoy.
I also enjoy.
We'll also enjoy.
Enjoy Mardi. Mardi Gras. What is Mardi Gras?
Mardi Gras is a festival.
In New Orleans, US of A.
In the New Orleans.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion.
स्ट्रीम के बाद केवी भाई कुछ याद दिलाना, आपको कुछ बोलना स्ट्रीम के बाद।
ये क्या है? स्ट्रीम पे बोल दिया तो अभी सबको जानना है।
ओके ये गाना बॉलीवुड में वरुण ग्रोवर साहब ने भी यूज किया, बट ये मेन कविता आपको सुनाने की।
गुस्ताखी।
मैं जिसे ओढ़ता बिछाता हूँ, मैं जिसे ओढ़ता बिछाता हूँ, वो गजल आपको सुनाता हूँ। एक जंगल है तेरी आंखों में, मैं जहां राह भूल जाता हूँ। तू किसी रेल सी गुजरती है, मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता हूँ। हर एक तरफ ऐतराज होता है, मैं अगर रोशनी में आता हूँ। एक बाजू उखड़ गया जब से, और ज्यादा वजन उठाता हूँ। मैं तुझे भूलने की कोशिश में आज कितने करीब पाता हूँ। कौन ये फासला निभाएगा, मैं फरिश्ता हूँ सच बताता हूँ। तू किसी रेल सी गुजरती है, मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता हूँ। दुष्यंत कुमार, थैंक यू।
Wow. Too good. KV really saving grace of this stream.
Yes.
KV is a man of culture.
दो गाने की 2 लाइन भी हो ही जाए यार, मेरे को तो अभी भी पता पड़ा कि अब
तू
गाना भी
किसी
गाते हो।
रेल सी गुजरती है,
मैं ठहरा रहा।
I didn't know Azam Raja sang
KV ने
this.
को अलग ही गाना शुरू कर दिया। ये क्या है? ज़मीं चलने लगी।
The truth is, I did regret being part of the AIB roast, not because of what I said, but because of what happened afterwards. After the controversy, I was sitting with cops, commissioners, lawyers, and dealing with all that for 6 months and more, and that's why I regret it. Not for any other reason. I was appalled at what I had to put up my company, my lawyers, my legal team through, when they should have been fighting about contractual clauses in studio deals. They were fighting about me on a roast. I agreed to host the AIB roast. I knew what I was doing. The 4 boys of AIB, who I find very funny, came to me because they said they couldn't think of a better roast master.
Of course.
Nice.
Yeah, by the way, guys, this is reading Karan Johar's autobiography, okay? These are not KV's feelings. In case anyone was confused. चलो, सब कुछ सेट हो चुका है. Friends, we should continue, okay? Last joke ये वाला था ना? ये वाला ना, ये बोल दिया आपने. Do men still open car doors? How do you think we get inside? I mean, it's a legit comeback.
It's
हम तो खिड़की से ही
too logical. Like
Too logical.
कुछ इसमें ज्यादा मेटाफर और रेफरेंसेस और समझ में आया क्या तेरे को, वैसा कुछ नहीं. It's very
yeah. This reply is basically अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो, meme as a reply. My boyfriend got a side bitch pregnant, but we both love each other. Should I stay?
Oh my God.
Yes, they'll need a clown for the kids' birthday parties.
Oh man. First of all, this concept of side bitch and all is a thing. She didn't know for a long time. Now I know.
Also, this entire problem is just so insane. But the reply is so basic. Then you're like, "हाँ यार मजाक ही हो गया है. Why not? Allowed a side bitch pregnant हो गई वगैरह."
Actually, KV, how do you know about concept of side bitches now? Moving on.
What?
Small coffee, $5. Small coffee, please, $3. Hello, one small coffee, please, $1.75. I'm not saying please to someone below me. Judging by this comment, there is nobody below you. It's a
And
good
this
one.
comment is literally below them, but I mean, to be fair.
To be
This
fair.
and 188 previous.
हाँ. I think इसको उतने likes मिले नहीं इसलिए वो उसने like काट दिया है फोटो से. You've stated that you believe there could be an infinite number of parallel universes. Does that mean there is a universe out there where I am smarter than you?
This I know.
Yes. And also a universe where you're funny.
Yeah.
I can't believe
Oh,
he said this to
wow.
John Oliver of
John
all places.
Oliver.
Yeah.
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 Brutal.
एक तो उस पंचलाइन के लिए लोगों को कितना वेट करना पड़ा होगा कि can you imagine? We can't say this or what? Come on. धीरे-धीरे आ रहा होगा यार.
Why do men nut so fast? Gotta get home to the woman I love.
ये वो side bitch continue.
Side bitch continue.
थोड़ा और side bitch. That's the sequel. एक इंच और side bitch.
All right. The youth can walk faster, but the elders know the road. African proverb. The youth have Google Maps.
This is very okay boomer type.
Yes.
Yeah.
ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो. Uncle, please sit. वो वाला.
Pattinson's Batman will be so raw and not sanitized, says cast member Peter Sarsgaard. The last thing the world wants now is a raw, unsanitized bat.
Too good. Too good.
I don't know how while writing this, do they not know this would be the reply? मैं तो हमेशा पहले जब comment सोचता मैं तो हमेशा अभी Instagram पे जब post कर रहा हूँ तो caption देखता हूँ सबसे पहले मेरे मन में यही आता है कि हराम ज्यादा top comment वाला क्या लिखेगा इसके ऊपर
Correct.
कि कोई आके कुछ तो पन मार के
So
टुचकी मार के
true.
निकल जाएगा ऐसा
And to prevent that, I write all of that
हाँ.
before anyone else can come and write. I want to take all the likes. I don't want anyone else to come and take the likes.
Sanitize word से तो आना ही चाहिए यार.
But I think they wrote it for a reason. So
Yeah.
raw and not sanitized. They were also going for the joke.
Amplify करने के लिए.
Aishwarya, what you said, no? Aishwarya, what you said, I want it on a t-shirt. I want all the likes. I don't want anybody else to take any likes. This is my whole life. उसी बात पे like ठोको यार. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? Please give the like. Kind of feel bad for attractive people who are now having to communicate with their words. Who are now having to communicate with their words for the first time and realizing they don't have personality. I feel attacked. You shouldn't.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah.
Because I was also going to say something like this, and in my head, I'm like, Tanmay will say, "Oh, you shouldn't." And I was like, "Yeah."
I like that.
This is exactly.
I like that I am your life's clever comeback. Your Aishwarya's first thought is, what will Tanmay say to this shit?
Because Tanmay, your life is a comeback, yaar.
Oh, that's true. Oh my god.
Oh my
So
god.
good. So good.
Fellas, if you break up with your girl and the next day she wins the $600 million jackpot, you mad or you don't care? I'm pregnant. This is written by Timothy. That makes it funnier. Feel like this could be Aishwarya's strategy if Akash's Bitcoin goes to $1 million.
I'm sorry, but he wants to get married to me tomorrow. Okay, you need to save this if you want to stop.
I need to save this.
Like, you need to save him if you want to stop the. I don't know what I'm saying at this point.
Don't worry. I'll be on your marriage date. I'll be the first one there with the prenup. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Get all the likes.
Tanmay has all kinds of lawyer number. Don't worry.
Every lawyer, I got you. All right. By the way, her name Samsung Note 7 Pussy क्या है ये? There's someone in chat mentioned saying, look at her name. There should only be 2 bathroom types. One specifically for me and another for everyone else. There is. It's called a diaper.
Oh wow.
Oh, nice. ये वो clever.
I like it. ये किससे
Nice.
already award मिल गया उसको. Number 1 award.
Yeah.
Good one.
ये proper.
Shit fucking YouTuber. You just think you're fucking cool. I'm gonna turn up at your house and burn it down. I'm gonna find you.
Your charts you've put over your own.
Yeah, I thought Rohan Joshi ने आपको कोई screenshot भेजा.
This is मेरे others inbox में यही होता है. Auto reply. We have detected the transmission of a potential threat towards someone's life, damage towards someone's property. Your device's IP address has been forwarded to police. If you think this mistake, reply stop. 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 Please stop.
ये काफी cool है यार ये तो.
Gentlemen, it has been proven here because it took from 8:18 to 8:22 for him to reply that it takes 4 minutes for an asshole to burst.
Yeah.
That is the scientific amount of time.
Yeah. Also, उसका he has tried his best to give voice modulation even in stop. It's very देखो capital small ऊपर नीचे.
Lawyer OP. I love this. I'm going to use this, by the way. I want to use this all the time. And I think I might not say, if you think this is a mistake, instead of saying reply stop, I might say reply chaddi no. Like, and they'll try to write something random and send it back. Anyway, it's just me. Fuck you guys.
So cute.
How should I? But ये ऊपर क्यों आ गया है? इसको निकाल कैसे सकते हैं ये? तुमको दिखाई दे रहा है क्या ये? हाँ. How should I respond to my boss who fired me via email and let him know that I'm very disappointed he did not have the courtesy to do this face to face? Dear boss, thought you'd want to know someone has apparently hijacked your email account. The hijack क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Dear boss, thought you'd want to know someone has apparently hijacked your email account. The hacker just fired me. Obviously a transparent attempt to make you look like a gutless, spineless, cowardly, sniveling weasel, a cretin lacking the nuts to man up and look his people in the eye while stabbing them in the back. But I'm certain we'll all have a good laugh over this in the morning. Talk to you then. Love, me.
Wow.
Oh wow. I think if I got this email, I would resign. I'd be like, ki ho gaya. I have been fired.
Yeah.
Brutal.
Man.
Have you ever been fired? Any of you ever been fired? Nishant bhai, you were fired?
Oh.
क्या था story?
Fired in a sense, asked to leave, as in asked to choose between comedy and job.
Oh.
अच्छा.
Wow.
तो कैसे था वो conversation? क्या बोला था उन्होंने?
तो मतलब पहले ऑफिस में घुसा मैं तो उसमें दिल्ली टाइम्स का पेपर रखा था, न्यूज़पेपर.
हाँ.
सौरभ पंत को शो करने आया था दिल्ली में और मैं सिर्फ चिल करने स्पॉट करने गया था और मेरा भी फोटो आ गया था. तो पेपर खोल के हिस्ट्री खोल के बॉस ऐसे बैठी हुई है सामने रखा है. आई कैन सी एंड लाइक कि I got to know that you're doing something else also apart from this job, and I can see the photo like on paper. I'm like, yeah. So like you got to choose. You cannot sail in two boats. You got to choose between comedy and job. So in 2 days to let me know करके फिर 2 दिन बाद जाके मैं resign किया और और literally 5 किलो मोतीचूर के लड्डू लेके पूरा ऑफिस में बांटा.
Oh wow.
और real.
Oh wow. Legend. What's something that feels British but isn't? The contents of the British Museum. Too good. Brutal comeback. Oh wow. Guys, this is
भाई ये तो क्विज में हो सकता है.
मैं वही गेस करना चाह रहा था और निकला. निकाल लिया पैरिया कैरी ने.
Too good. If men are agreeing with you, you said something stupid. You are absolutely right.
Oh man.
This was also just there to be done. It was too easy. Weirdo, why do you like my pic from 2017? I'm not weird. You just haven't looked good in a while.
Oh boss. Dude, what are these?
Yeah, I think if someone said
But they
this to me,
deserve, I think they deserve it also. These are all those two type people I don't like only. Why you're being over smart?
करेक्ट. एक तो तेरा पिक वो लाइक किया. अभी हमने ये बात किया ना कि सब लाइक चाहिए सबको. लाइक किया, तेरे को क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है भाई? एफर्ट मार के नीचे स्क्रॉल करके गया वो, लाइक किया. तेरे कॉलेज की फोटो जहां तू वो गंदे ऐसे चश्मा पहन के ऐसे फोटो खींचा रही थी, लाइक किया उसने. उल्टा मैसेज. वियर्डो.
KV, why you're getting so personal? Why are you getting so personal with Aishwarya, yaar? Okay, fine, her Instagram was bad in 2017, but there's no reason to attack her like this.
You know, I didn't have Instagram in 2017. I'm a very new Instagrammer, yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, that's why it was so much better. Anyway, Nishant bhai, you were saying?
हाँ, I was saying कि I am with KV भाई in this one. इसमें क्या होता है, अगर आप किसी बंदी के प्रोफाइल को स्टॉक भी कर रहे होते हो ना, तो आप ना वो फोटो ढूंढते जिसमें उसको लगे कि आप डिसेंट हो, कि चश्मे वाला ब्रूक वाला फोटो लाइक किया है,
हाँ
समझ रहे हो? उसका कोई स्विमिंग कॉस्ट्यूम वाला वो आप लाइक नहीं करते कि ऐसे
हाँ।
फिर सोचे कि अरे क्या ये।
हाँ
और वो तो सब कर रहे हैं यार, वो
हाँ, वो
हाँ।
तो सब कर रहे हैं,
पता भी लगेगा, हमारा एक छोटा सा लाइक तुम्हें दिखेगा भी नहीं,
दिखेगा।
हाँ।
लाइक तुम वही नोटिस करोगे ना।
इसमें सबसे कम लाइक है, उस फोटो को जाके लाइक
करेक्ट
तो नोटिस कर।
यार,
हम्म।
वियर्डो।
Tanmay, you have something to say. What? Why are you being quiet and all?
No, I've never done something like this and gotten caught 3, 4, 5 times by the same person multiple times, and then told them that you kind of like them, and then they said, well,
Oh,
I don't like you
God.
back in that way, and then things became awkward, and till date I'm petrified of double tapping on any picture. That's never happened to me.
Good. I'm glad that this never happened.
Never happened.
That's this one very specific thing has never happened. Okay. Want to know who wouldn't have these problems with Thanos? Let them defeat Rotten Tomatoes first.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
पूरे DC यूनिवर्स में, पूरे DC यूनिवर्स को एक
चुकवुमा। इन सबके यूजर नेम थोड़े तो अजीब हैं अभी
हाँ?
तक, आपने नहीं नोटिस किया? नॉर्मल यूजर नेम वाले आ ही नहीं रहे, सबका
नहीं।
मतलब
क्योंकि नॉर्मल केवी बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स नॉर्मल यूजर नेम वालों की गांड फटती है अच्छा जोक मारने से,
वो भी है,
क्योंकि पता नहीं क्या होता है उनके साथ।
पता नहीं ऐसा भी है।
The problem with searching for GIMP on this site is that it comes up with videos of guys jerking off in a leather discipline wear. Largely depends on your search history these days. I don't understand this.
I don't get it.
I don't get
What
it.
is the
Ignore.
game?
Ignore.
Yeah.
Oh.
The day my husband asked me to pay halves on rent is the day I pack my bags.
Achha.
And go where? You can't even afford half rent, mate. That's fair. You know, this needed a reply so bad that Ronaldinho had to come out of retirement to just say something to this
बोल
person.
मैं फ्री हो गया, इसी काम के लिए फ्री हुआ मैं।
Ladies, what would you do if you found another girl's nudes on your man's phone? Send them to myself. When he asks for my nudes, I'll send hers again. Ooh, that would be brutal.
Nice.
बंदा कंफ्यूज है, दोनों सेम क्यों लग रही थी?
Yeah.
Oh,
अंदर से ना
man.
सब लड़की सेम ही होती है
सेम
दोस्त,
ही होती है।
मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैंने बहुत लड़कियां देखी हैं, अंदर से सब सेम।
एक कुछ भी मत बोल, सब सेम नहीं। अरे ब्रो लिटरली सेम है, मैं बता रहा हूँ। देख। How do ugly guys get such fine women? The more she laughs, the more time she spends with her eyes closed. It's science.
Nice.
Shut up. Now you're making this face so that in the comments people say, no, Tanmay, you're not ugly. You're very pretty. You're so lovely. Shut up. We don't get
No,
this
I'm
over.
not saying I'm not ugly. I'm not saying I'm ugly. I'm saying that I make her laugh.
Yeah, but
You're
that's
saying
what it
he's funny.
means, right? Ugly guys are funny. That's the inference.
Yeah, that's the inference. That's true.
Visionary.
Visionary. Sis, how can you be depressed? Life is beautiful. Sis, how do you have asthma? There is so much air.
That looks like Taapsee Pannu, right?
Yeah.
Or is it just me?
That does look like Taapsee Pannu.
Oh, man.
Wow. Oh my God. That's so
Someone
Taapsee
sat
Pannu.
Taapsee Pannu.
Who is this? Who is this? Who does this look like?
Yeah, I'm trying to place. Taapsee Pannu.
The nose is like someone from Kashmir.
What?
It's like very sharp.
Kashmir people
Oh,
are
Samay,
sharp.
really
Samay,
sharp.
that's
Samay,
Samay.
that's not Samay, guys.
Oh, Samay. Okay.
Guys, there are other people in Kashmir, man. It's not one person only. I mean, there used to be.
इंदिरा गांधी टाइप लग रही है थोड़ी सी।
Oh, yeah.
Little Indira Gandhi vibes. Taapsee Pannu was
True.
Indira Gandhi.
Long nose.
कंगना रनौत बोल रही है chat. Madhubala?
Madhubala,
Madhubala.
even I
Arre.
felt.
I
Even
felt
I
that
felt.
Madhubala is too beautiful to be.
Yeah, that's what.
I don't think
रिप्लाई से लग रही है।
and I don't think Madhubala and Taapsee would get along, to be honest. I don't know why. I just don't see them being friends. CNN's Don Lemon, justice has been served. And we all know he would have
No,
never...
ऊपर-
हाँ नहीं ये पहले है, ये कोर्ट रिलेटेड है ना. CNN's Don Lemon, justice has been served. And we all know he would have never said this had the reverse verdict been reached. Almost like there's a difference between a murder going free and not. I don't know what this reference
There's
is to.
context to this which we are not aware of.
Ignore. Raghav, क्या डाल दिया? Leeds United prefer Domino's thanks. They don't take a week to deliver a tweet. Bit rich coming from a club that hasn't delivered since 1992.
Ooh, God.
Oh, fuck. 61,000 retweets. Dude, I love it when brands are like, brands do zingers to each other.
Yeah. Some smart guy sitting in the agency going, अभी मत.
हाँ, एक बार हुआ था मेरे साथ. मैंने Zomato का लोगो ट्वीट किया था, saying that the old Zomato logo it used to look like a sperm.
Yeah.
ठीक है. फिर Zomato ने रिप्लाई किया था उसको, saying hope this doesn't get banned by censor board. और सब लोग ऐसे, oh, Tanmay you got burned. I was like, I was never banned by censor board. What the fuck are you guys talking about? How is this a burn to me?
Yeah.
You remember this, KV?
I remember that.
I still feel bad about it, huh, Tanmay?
I still feel bad, yeah.
But the thing is, this was the era of, थोड़ा मैं digress हो रहा, this was the era of Scoop, BuzzFeed and
Correct.
कौन से 3-4 वेबसाइट के बहुत आर्टिकल आए थे और इनका बहुत सिंपल टेम्पलेट रहता था कि एक फेमस आदमी को एक रिप्लाई आ गया तो the article will be massively sold online by ये. Oh, fuck, क्या ही हो गया?
Yeah. This reply by this brand will blow your week out. ऐसे होता है.
This is the Scoop era. Like Minix, whatever. वो 3-4 थे.
School district says no pajamas for online classes. What you are gonna do? Send them home? That's fair. Actually, क्या करेगा teacher? क्या करेगा teacher? Hey, Raju, are you in pajama? Yes, ma'am. Well, fuck.
Okay.
Call your mom. No, ma'am, I won't. Call your dad. No. ठीक है, पजामा ही तो है यार, उतना it's not a big deal.
क्लास से बाहर निकल जाओ भी नहीं बोल सकते ना. क्लास से बाहर नहीं निकलूंगा.
नहीं बोलेंगे ओके.
Stop video.
ओके बोलेंगे. क्या बटन ही तो प्रेस करना है.
Have had to cancel all my upcoming shows due to ban of crowds more than 250 people. So very sorry. The good news is you can still go see Colin. Oh, there's Ryan Styles and Colin Mockery.
Yeah.
Colin replied, so happy that you have gone with your strength, staying home and not doing comedy. Oh, so nice. Man.
Why can you still see Colin? I just want to know, like.
Why can you still see Colin?
The good news is you can still go see Colin.
उसके में 250 लोग.
250 लोग नहीं आते.
250 लोग नहीं आएंगे ना.
Oh.
Doesn't hit the number.
Oh, damn, son.
There's nothing more satisfying than being prettier than your ex-boyfriend's new girlfriend.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I missed it. There's nothing more satisfying than being prettier than your ex-boyfriend's new girlfriend. Fact that he's not going for just looks anymore means you taught him a valuable lesson.
Nice D.
Cool.
Good one.
Aishwarya, say it.
मैं भी.
I'm not saying shit.
Say it.
I'm not saying jack shit.
कट जाएगा वैसे भी ये.
Good.
Please stop being weird about the butt. We all have butts. We all have brains too, but not everyone is Einstein.
Point. I agree.
Point तो है.
What's the best drug to have sex on? Birth control.
I feel.
Aishwarya, you laughed a little too quickly on that one. Just saying.
I'm sorry, but it's relatable too many times. It's not even like एक बार relatable हो गया. Stand up बना दिया इस पे.
Need men for what? I say we launch them into space with the rest of our garbage. Okay, then, when would you like to be sent into space? I'm not a man, you dipshit. Yeah, but you said garbage also.
Oh, that's... Oh!
It was too... This was just... It was just there to just...
Yeah.
This is my new, like... This is how I imagine.
This is the
Like when
third
someone comes to my comment section, they say something mean, I'm just like... That's how I feel. Why can't trees give off something useful like Wi-Fi? So just fuck oxygen, right?
Oh man, this is very contextual also.
How is this contextual?
Like oxygen, everyone wants nowadays. Like
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's true. Wow.
I feel like this is written by Kamanna.
yeah.
Just fuck oxygen, right? Oxygen नहीं चाहिए ना तुम लोग को, बाकी सब तो चाहिए, but oxygen.
ये भी काट देना.
For sure.
Can you guys please recommend books that made you cry? Engineering Mechanics Statics, 14th edition, Russell Hibler.
So true. I was R.D. Sharma.
हाँ? Oh yeah. मैंने कभी R.D. शर्मा पढ़ा ही नहीं.
Hey man.
Never had the pleasure of. Why does no one talk about how depression and anxiety can cause major memory loss? We do. You motherfuckers just keep forgetting. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Very good.
Oh man.
केवी क्या कर रहा है? हाथ में क्या है? मेरे को लोग कब से ऐसा लग रहा है you're scheming something evil.
हाँ वो पेन का ढक्कन तोड़ दिया मैंने और खेल रहा था.
Oh, okay. Hey, are you a cigarette? Let me guess. Because I'm smoking or because I'm life-threatening object that's been normalized by society?
You press
No, because I want to get you lit and put your butt in my mouth.
Wow.
Wow, hardcore. ये Tinder वाले episode में होना चाहिए था. When you said I was pretty, you hesitated for a second. Why? I paused for a second to appreciate your beauty. Oh my god.
अरे भाई.
Oh my god. Deadly. I hope he won whatever he was supposed to win. Aishwarya,
Yeah.
you're not impressed? Oh, come on.
Come on.
If
यार.
this happened in real life, you would be like, oh, that was cute. No?
I mean,
I am still taking my
I'm
time to
gone.
appreciate her beauty.
So good. That's very good. हाय हाय यही लड़के ले जाते हैं भाई साहब.
Nishant bhai, touch me not. कल वाला joke याद आ गया. The first step to reducing your emissions is to know where you stand. Find out your carbon footprint with our new calculator and share your pledge today. This is tweeted by British Petroleum. British Petroleum. I pledge not to spill 4.9 million barrels of oil into the Gulf of Mexico.
प्लेटर सर्व करके बीपी ने दिया है. लो हमारे
I think ब्रिटिश पेट्रोलियम का एक इंटर्न बैठा है, वो ट्वीट देख रहा है. लाइक सर सच में डालना है क्या? मैं आपको बताता हूँ 10 चीजें जो लोग बोलेंगे. Brutal. Walmart, can you please stop stealing from us? Me? No. Why do you keep stealing eggplant, Chase? Okay, उतना brutal नहीं था ये.
ऑबरजीन.
Aubergine.
थोड़ा था क्योंकि वो स्टाइल मार के अपने उसकी जगह बैगन ने बोला अरे भाई.
I am a doctor. This man is completely correct. This is a great video about it. P.S. I'm not the doctor in the video. Thanks, Dr. Milimbar. Could you also check out this bump on my sack? It's a small penis. It's meant to be there.
Oh shit. That's nice. Professional reply by the doctor.
Bro!
yeah.
Meant to be
Like
there.
even the emoticon in the end, it's
Smiley.
so nice.
Yeah. It's like take care, love.
Yeah.
Bro.
I hope you're okay.
You don't expect this from the doctor, man. Like, Dr. Sassy.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's a whole separate point about society making fun of small penis joke is fine. But when we make... Never mind. Who will speak on behalf of the men? Guys, what made you realize this girl is definitely not into me? Gave a girl at work my number on a piece of paper and she handed it right back and said, we'll talk at work all the time, so let's just keep doing that.
That's
Beautiful.
That's hard. I would, this would
So
ruin
good.
numbers for me forever. Just the concept of phones would become sad after this.
But just the confidence of this woman, you know, normally when I have been faced with such situations, I've always taken the number. I'm just like, oh, now how to go about like this, what to do.
You
But
could just
so
like,
well, she just,
you can just write thanks and reply back, no?
yeah, but like that, that confidence to do that.
Yeah.
सही है यार.
That's true.
पता नहीं मैं होता तो
That's why-
ऑफिस में उससे बात करना बंद कर देता कि अब तो ले ले नंबर.
हाँ, मैं होता, मेरे साथ ये हुआ है, मैंने मेरे मैनेजर का नंबर लिख देता हूँ हमेशा. School. You walk into your English class and this is your teacher. What do? Take the class like everybody else. This is not Riverdale. Yeah,
मुझे
fair.
एक सेकंड के लिए प्रशस्ति लगी.
अरे हाँ, she
Yeah.
looks like Prashasti a little bit. Like her face has the Lucknow vibe.
It's only because of the chashma.
Yeah, the chashma. Chashma
Yeah.
looks like Prashasti.
Only the chashma, actually.
I offered this girl some noodles after sex and she had the nerve to say, so everything's just 2 minutes here, huh?
God.
Oh. Oof.
Brutal.
Abba.
सेक्स के बाद मैगी कौन खाता है यार? ये क्या है ये? नहीं? We just stop giving a fuck right after sex.
I
Kevi?
like how Kiwi analogy.
मतलब
Sex के बाद मैगी? No, isn't it like a? I thought sex.
What do you have lasagna on?
For
I have a-
sutta is first usually.
yeah, that's true. I was
Oh,
going
like
to
that.
say that. Then I realized members बैठे हैं. यार होना चाहिए. But yeah, that's the first.
But have you guys ever had sex and had Maggie after?
I have. Like not like get up and immediately have, but it's like
Of
after
course.
10 minutes.
Oh, once I had sex and 3 days later I had Maggie. That doesn't count.
Like
Aishwarya.
10 minutes later. I'm saying like 10 minutes later.
Fair.
No?
Have you ever?
I think this
have
is
you
a
ever,
very college thing. Like,
Have you
know,
ever
in college.
ordered food, then had sex in the hope that we can have sex, and then after that food will
Beautiful,
come,
Yes.
and then we can
What
eat
a-
that.
Yes.
Have you done that?
Yes.
That
Yes.
it's like 2 things to look forward to. It's like
That's
oh my god,
Day before yesterday, I did this.
yeah, food is coming, and so are we. Like it's
All kinds of hunger being satisfied back to back.
और उसी दिन जोमेटो जल्दी आएगा.
For sure.
oh man, Zomato should have this feature actually. Just after sex food. उसपे थोड़ा और प्यार बना के बनाएंगे वो लोग. Anyway, I've never in my life met a feminist and then walked away going, wow, that was an incredibly happy person. That is quite the cell phone because the common denominator in all these interactions is that they just met you.
अरे.
That's
और
true.
Isn't he the? No, he's not the historian, is he?
Yeah, I think he's the historian only. Or they
Oh
look
yes, yes,
similar.
body for
Historian.
wife.
Body
I
Yeah.
feel like he's lying that he's a historian. He's
Yeah,
just a regular.
He's
teacher.
just a guy who has the best comebacks.
Yeah.
सिचुएशन के हिसाब से चेंज करता रहता है.
Correct.
डॉक्टर एंड कुछ ऐसा बोल देगा. वो है अरे 90s रेफरेंस में राजा बाबू का गोविंदा है ये. हर दिन कभी लॉयर कभी
Raja Babu.
कम ऑन यार. 90s के यार.
If the masks work, why the 6 feet? If the masks work, why the 6 feet? If the 6 feet works, why the masks? If both work, why the lockdown? If the airbags work, then why the seat belt? If the seat belt works, then why the airbags? If both work, then why the brakes?
Wow.
Good one. Good one.
Yeah.
जर्क ने मचा दिया.
Iron Man.
सही बोला तो सही क्या सही बोल रहा है? बोल रहा है भाव. When a guy tells me he owns a gun, I'm like, oh, what's wrong with your dick?
अच्छा.
Last time I tried to use my dick on a home intruder, I got in way more trouble. The cops were pretty upset. The intruder needed counseling, and I'm on a list. Just use a gun.
हर लाइन.
This is the first one. Which is like literally making me laugh. Like the intruder needed counseling is too much.
अगली बार तो घर में कोई चोरी करने आ रहा पैंट खोल के.
That's pretty good.
Cops were pretty upset. Cops भी बोले मतलब सर क्या कर रहे हैं? बंदूक रखो गन पर क्या कर रहे
ये क्राइम तो है ही सर, बट मेरा दिन खराब हो गया है सर. What have you done?
हैं?
पुलिस वाला अपनी बंदूक लेके गया कि भाई
Please use this.
थाने में कॉल करता कोई बोलता है कि भाई किसी ने किसी को गोली मार दी. मजा आता है इधर आने में. पता नहीं वो किसी को फोर व्हीलर लौंडा है जो नंगा बैठा है लौंडे का. वो देखने आया हूँ इतनी दूर में.
इनफैक्ट चोर ने पुलिस को फोन किया. Saying, guys मैं चोरी करा था, ओके? और ये लड़का नंगा बैठा है यार घर पे.
और इसने क्या किया? ऐसे कोई करता है क्या?
काउंसलिंग हर हफ्ते वो सेशन ले रहा है थेरेपिस्ट के साथ. He reminded me of my father. वो बहुत उसके trauma.
वो कई बार उन्हें तो सर्कल बना के सब अपनी स्टोरी बता रहे होते हैं. और what happened with you?
Well,
brutal.
I was once a thief and
Wow.
Nacho Sara.
This for pro gun rights, I think this comment is the best thing. They could just use this comment and
Yeah.
allow guns to be used.
Your opinions are biased by personal beliefs.
Oh,
That's
fuck
literally the definition of an opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone would, this happens, like I remember, I was in college debate, okay? और मैंने एक ऐसा काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट डाला था, फिर वो बंदा आके ऑपोजिशन की तरफ से आया, yeah, but that's just your perspective. And I was like, yeah. Who else's fucking perspective am I supposed to give? What the fuck is this argument? That's just your perspective, okay? Yeah, it is mine. Condom sex does not count. Just hear me out. A theory. If you wash your hands with gloves on, did you really wash your hands? I see your point, but let me ask you this. If I strangle you to death with gloves on, did I really strangle you to death? Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Very nice.
Oh. किसी ने पूछा है, was Raghav horny today? Yeah, I don't know why there's so many sex comebacks in this PPT. I don't know why. I've read that the vaccine was tested on 40,000 volunteers. Where would they find so many idiots? It's not that tough. I just found one.
Nice.
Man.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Nice. भी वही है, इसने सेटअप ऐसे दिया, थाली में रख के सुबह निकला, बोला सेटअप लो, मारो.
हाँ. I can come 8 times and not get tired. Men come 2-3 times and they got a reboot like 1995 Windows computer.
Oh man, you're gonna get roasted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You all need 9 months to push out a baby. I only need 9 seconds.
And push out million babies.
Yeah. I need only 9 seconds to push out an entire fucking ashram, dude. Honey, you need to use my tweezers to find your dick. Oh, sweetheart, I'm a grown man with a beautiful wife and kids, so little dick insults have zero effect on me. But if you'd like to send those tweezers over, I'd gladly pluck a couple of pubes out so you can sprinkle them on your head where your hairline used to be. Now kindly crawl out of my DMs, you fucking white walker.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God. But to be fair, I think this is a good reply to a small dick joke.
Wow, you get
Yeah,
really
Tanmay
personally
bhai-
affected by these small league jokes.
Because I
Tanmay-
think it's not. I think men are also victims of severe body shaming all
Have
the
you
time.
heard your roast? Have you ever gone and heard your roast?
And I'm
what-
saying I have contributed to that culture.
Oh, okay.
Of course.
He's,
Nishan bhai.
learning and improving.
Nishan bhai,
This-
कुछ बोल रहे हो?
मैं बोला था this size of reply is a nice वो for small dick jokes. इतना बड़ा reply.
हाँ. Caution, choking hazard. Aren't choking hazards on small objects? Fair. I think
Fair.
did not think that one through. Can you cash out me $200 real quick? Where you from, mamas? San Diego. Jobs, employment in San Diego.
Oh, I
Very
saw.
This is a good one. This is a good one.
Very good business.
And promotion for Indeed.com.
Yes. मैं भी वही देख रहा था, किसका लिंक भेजा है.
Tell me what's on your mind. Someone tell Johnny Jr. Jr. he need to go put a shirt back on and finish Pirates of the Avengers 6 Infinity Pearls. Johnny Downey Jr.
Oh man, this is so true.
Yeah, I
This is-
can't unsee it.
Yeah.
Johnny Downey Jr. Pirates of the Avengers 6 Infinity Pearls. I would watch the fuck out of this movie.
The crossover you wanted.
Yeah. He also looks a bit like Zac Efron. No? Little bit Zac
Shut
Efron
up,
also.
dude, please. Now
Yeah.
you can put anyone on this.
Little,
He looks like that guy from Hangama, Babu Bisleri.
we went from Johnny Depp to Babu Bisleri.
Doesn't he?
Yeah,
Doesn't
yeah.
he? You tell me. KV, doesn't he look like Babu Bisleri though?
Also, Tanmay bhai, he looks like the every other guy on TikTok we used to.
Yeah, yeah.
100%. 100%. वो engagement में भी ring light लेके जाता है.
How the hell did I lose so much hair, Lamau? Because for every free throw you missed, one falls out. LeBron James ने reply किया है.
प्रोफेशनल
वो लेवल पे.
वो लेवल पे चल रहा है.
स्काउट बोल रहे जनता. स्काउट हैं? स्काउट नहीं.
हाँ, स्काउट.
Congrats, Tom. You've posthumously earned an unfollow. Your family should be proud. Twitter isn't an airport. No need to announce your departure. Yeah, I hate it when people go to that. I am unsubscribing your channel because of this video. I'm like, माचुदा 12,000 और आ गए. हट बैच. क्या है ये? कोई बाय बोल चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. निकल.
Wasted 4 minutes of my life. Otherwise तो तू रॉकेट बना रहा था. वही तो वैक्सीन बना रहा है. Wasted 6 minutes. अबे लौड़ू.
People really be grown and still using umbrellas. You're supposed to become waterproof after you turn 18? Can you explain? It's a good question. If you like huge dicks, you love my personality. What happens if I like small dicks? Then you'll like my actual dick.
So cute.
Okay, Raghav, I don't know what's up, brother.
Yeah, Raghav. Why are you posting so many of these dick memes today?
आज का stream क्या special है?
I just finished 2 papers and 1 PowerPoint presentation in one sitting. Please clap. That's very impressive. What's the topic of your presentation? Corporate humanization and why pretending to be friendly and relatable on social media is a transparent marketing tactic.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Very nice.
भाई साहब. ये इसी के बाद like Microsoft stock price must have fallen after this reply. This is brutal.
ये इनका रोनाल्डो मूवमेंट है.
इसी दिन इंटर्न को कंफर्म किया और जॉब हायर कर लिया कि बेटे यू शुड बी डूइंग दिस फॉर फ्री बडी. दिस यू शुड गेट पेड टू बी एट द अदर एंड ऑफ दीज रिप्लाईज. Guys, help me which perfume I should get. I'm so confused. ये क्या है? Turn down the volume. I can't smell. Dude, this whole meme can be summed up by अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो? Cut to that.
इनको तो पता रहता होगा ना कि लोग ऐसे रिप्लाई करेंगे.
Yeah, I mean, I think that is also supposed to be a joke. It's like you've seen that guy who goes like this, that African guy who does this.
Yeah.
Which is I find so annoying because he takes these things which are obviously memes and then he'll do the obvious and go like this. Yeah, we know that it's a joke only, you idiot. And he has like 12 million followers. 12 million.
आ गया ना उसके फॉलोइंग पे eventually. Like point तो बोल ही रहे थे. My husband runs a sawmill and look at these he cut today. Anyone else see a dog? Oh my God, there's a dog here. It's the eyes and a nose. Oh, I feel like I see more of a sad pig. Oh my God, that's
Shut up,
true.
it's a dog.
It's a sad pig.
Yeah, the nose is of a pig.
Yeah.
Snout.
And eyes are sad.
Yeah. Turn on your monitor. This is a good one. Turn on your monitor. Brutal. All right. My husband just swallowed a paracetamol by mistake. What shall I do? Give him a headache now? Why waste the medicine? Dr. Doggo. Dr. Doggo. Oh, you verified it, Dr. Doggo.
Man.
I like my vagina shaved, ladies. Then shave your vagina.
Then shave your vagina. Yeah, I knew it.
This we could see.
Oh, man. COVID-19 vaccine side effects. Please, people, do your research. Hi, Julie. I only have a BSc and it's not in a related field. Are you suggesting I return to university, get a relevant bachelor's degree, spend another couple of years doing a master's, make it into a PhD program, get funding and ethics approval, and conduct a study?
Wow.
Good question. Fair enough. Yeah, Julie. Tell us, Julie.
Yeah.
Her, I faked every orgasm. Me, I saw every meme you sent me at least a month before you showed them to me. Oh, that's also pretty brutal. There is no greater defeat than when the waiter calls me buddy when I'm ordering my food. Soon I'll be 21. Yet here I am, looking like I'm 14. That's okay, buddy. Quiet, Grams. I could use your head as a mirror. Oh, wow. Hey, you guys know Seth Everman? I know Seth Everman. He's the guy who makes YouTube videos. If being cute is a crime, I deserve to be arrested and jailed for 100 years. 100 years for a crime you didn't commit, bruh.
देसी है कुशल कह रहे हैं मैं बताता हूँ इसको.
Kushal.
Big Daddy को मैं बताता हूँ.
I think the space between the word and the question mark adds to it.
Yeah.
और उसका लोगो भी है कुशल केआरडी का.
Kushal Caddy का logo भी है. That's true. Podcast लग रहा है. Anyone want to send me $500 for a new phone because mine is breaking? Cash App, Shorty Cloud. Done. On what? On your dreams. Get a fucking job.
Oh, wow.
No English word has a double OO except the word food. Prove me wrong.
Food.
Oh my god. This is proof that preschool education is important in childhood and that choosing the right books and tools to learn more important than Nollywood. For now, get a stool, go back to the classroom and learn some coordination. Don't be a hooligan.
Man, he wrote a rap song.
Yeah, he wrote a rap song. If you guess the hidden animal right, you'll become my girlfriend. A lion.
Oh my god.
Bingo!
Oh my God.
That's a good one.
Nice.
In 2020, Apple will unveil their first car. Engine and headphone jack sold separately. Is this really did Elon Musk actually tweet it? Wow. Elon. 8 plus 4, 12. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 9, 14. You plus me. Error cannot implicit convert it in type into char type. नहीं समझा मैं ये.
Character. This is क्या बोलते हैं Java का script वगैरह.
Oh.
C++ and all you use. So CHAR is character. INT is integer.
Oh, wow. Aishwarya, you know coding and all?
Thoda we had to learn in school.
Oh, wow.
We didn't have all.
Wow. College students do not have to go to debt to get a degree. They can work their way through like many of us did the day of student loans. Ma'am, you were classmates with Moses when college classes cost only a few shekels. Phil, you didn't. Bichara. Hey, I need a favor from your parents. I want to have a handsome baby. How can my parents help you in that? Can you ask them which position they fucked in so I can avoid it? I knew it.
Oh,
I knew this was coming.
Yeah.
My father says I look like a goat. Is it true? Okay, send us your picture. Let's compare. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Nice.
Okay. You look like the human version of Mark Zuckerberg. Oh my god! He does look like Mark Zuckerberg. Oh my god.
The human version.
So good.
It's so funny.
So good.
Odell Beckham Jr. hits the beach in Cancun with girlfriend Polixeni Furfeli. Oh my god, he's dating a prescription drug. Polixeni Furfeli?
Oh.
प्रॉपर ऊपर RX लिखा रहता है फिर गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम आता है.
All right, friends, that's it. Hang on.
सुबह पॉलिक से नहीं लेना, शाम में परफेली सोने के पहले, खाने के बाद आधा तोड़ के.
All right. एक second. Let's wrap it up. We're done. And all right, friends, thank you so much for joining this episode. Everyone, please check out these very, very funny people on Instagram. And before we go, I give you the opportunity to do one clever comeback. Aishwarya, would you come back to record more episodes? Good reply. Clever comeback there has completely rubbed off on Aishwarya. What should I lob you to? What should I lob to you? Okay, chance for a clever comeback. Okay. Aishwarya, did you enjoy this episode as much as I think you did?
Yeah, I heard it on mute, so I did enjoy it.
Oh, that's pretty clever. That's pretty clever.
Okay.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. KV, did you enjoy this episode? And tell us why.
फक, मुझे लगा नया क्वेश्चन आएगा ना, तो मैं उसको पूछा नहीं। अपने लिए नया क्वेश्चन बनाओगे आप।
Okay, what could be a clever comeback?
New question.
Chat, did you enjoy this? Tell me why you enjoyed this episode, chat. Tell me why. Aishwarya looks sleepy. Yeah, Aishwarya is always yawning on my streams.
Hey, I want to make one montage of me yawning through all Tanmay videos.
Okay, Varun, this request has come. Please make this 55-minute video and please send it to Aishwarya. So anyway.
The first special that will release on Tanmay's channel. 55 minutes.
Of Aishwarya yawning. Yeah. On that note, friends, thank you very much for joining. We will see you guys on the next episode. And goodbye, chat. Goodbye.
हाँ, ये हमें वो